In this recipe, we are going to make Nutella truffles with just 4 ingredients. First, in a vessel, take half cup of whipping cream. Switch on the flame and melt this whipping cream. Keep the flame at low and melt this completely. You can also take fresh cream of Amul or any other brand instead of whipping cream. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter, softened butter. I am adding salted, you can also add unsalted. Now let the butter also melt at low flame. Simmer this mixture at low flame. Do not boil it, just let it simmer. Now here I have taken 200 gram of dark chocolate, that is 2 blocks of moderate dark compound, into which I am adding the whipping cream and salt mixture. Let it sit for 5 minutes as it is. Instead of dark chocolate, you can also take white chocolate or milk, any other chocolate of your choice. Now after 5 minutes, give this a vigorous stir. Unless you do not see any lumps of dark chocolate in this mixture. Now I am adding almost 2/3 cup of Nutella in this. You can also add any other spread if you have, or you can also skip this. Then it will be just dark chocolate fudge that you will prepare. After mixing it nicely, cover this with a cling wrap or with a lid, tight lid, and refrigerate this for at least 1 to 2 hours until it is nicely set. So this looks good. Now I am using a normal spoon to scoop this out. You can also use an ice cream scoop or any other tool to scoop this out, almost 1 to 2 tablespoons, and roll it with your hands into a ball shape. So these are done. Now we need some cocoa powder. This is optional. If you do not have this, then you can skip this, because even without cocoa powder, these Nutella truffles taste awesome. So coat these balls using some cocoa powder nicely. You can make a lot of Nutella truffles using the amount of dark chocolate and whipping cream and everything that we used. So you can see how nice and tempting these look. So just by using 3 or 4 ingredients, you can make these tasty desserts. Preparation time is very less. It just takes some time to set. Look at the beautiful texture of that bite. Do try out this easy tasty dessert which you and your family can enjoy after every lunch and dinner.